Alright, this is just a short video. Chris and I were recently doing his axles on the back because we thought, because there was a little bit of play on his axles and our axles, that they were bad, which they are not. It's pretty common on the RZRs. So we brought it over to the other side of the shop and we were going to do the axles. So this is just some stuff that we learned along the way. We ended up doing the bearings too because actually one of his wheel bearings were bad on the driver's side. So this video is real short. It's just us kind of walking through like, hey, here's a cool thing that we figured out that might save some people some time. Okay, so we got Chris's 22 XP Pro up here. We were having a problem getting the axle out. We've got everything separated. The axle was hanging out of there, grease all over the place, and we've seen all kinds of different ways to do it. And usually when people use slide hammer, they put it on the coupler up front, and we really couldn't get in there with that much space. So what we did was we just put it over the top of the front part, which is your axle stub that comes out by the hub, and then we just slide hammered it from there. He was holding it tight and I was just banging on the slide hammer and it came out. All right, Chris bought the Kryptonite tool, and this thing is pretty awesome. Comes with a little puck base. Put your puck in there, and you do it right here on the side-by-side. It's pretty cool. All right, that's it. Pressed it right out. And now the new Kryptonite ones are gonna go in. Gives you like a little in and out on here. It's a pretty sweet tool.